Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to unlink Instagram from Facebook account. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Once you're on your profile page, tap the 3 horizontal bars in the top right corner to open the menu. From the options listed, tap on Settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Account Center, located under the Meta section. This will take you to a page where all your linked accounts are managed. From here, tap on Accounts to view your connected Facebook and Instagram profiles. To unlink, select the Facebook account you want to remove. Tap Remove from Account Center, and a confirmation screen will appear. Instagram will show you what you'll lose access to after unlinking. If you're sure, tap Continue, review the final information, and then tap Remove. Once done, your Instagram account will no longer be linked to Facebook, and you can manage both accounts separately without any connection. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.